Here we have the test pizza. Part of it's going to get cooked according to the directions on the box. Part of it is going to get cooked in the new Magic Pizza oven. So step one is to preheat both items. So these are preheated for nearly the same amount of time. I'm going to cut the pizza and get ready to take the Magic Oven out of the microwave. And now time for a temperature check. And this will go in for about 4 minutes. And for the box, the conventional oven will go in for 14 minutes, much longer. And now we wait. The Magic Pizza should be done. And if I flip this over, you can see a nice charred crust, same as a brick oven. And the conventional oven is finally done. And it also looks pretty good. Here's side-by-side comparison. But it required a lot more patience. 4 minutes in a microwave, 14 minutes in a conventional oven, and much better browning on the microwave pizza.